Hi, in this video I will show you how to make this beautiful pair of paper earrings in form of flowers. They are so brilliant and nice to wear for this summer season. So you will need some paper. I chosen the black one and a paper punch in form of a flower. For each flower paper earring you will need two flowers, so we will make one and here our flowers, and then we will need some nail polish and we will use it to cover all our flower in this way, in front and then back. When this is ready, we will cover the back. In this moment we will put this one here, so we'll leave it to dry, and then the same for the other one, we will leave it to dry. Okay, and then with a toothpick you can finish your flower. Okay, and then leave it to dry. Okay, I have another pair here. They are covered in the front part, and we will cover the back. So all your back. Okay, so in this way you will have all your flower covered by the nail polish. Okay, leave the flowers to dry, and when they are ready, here your finished flowers, back and front. Now with your finger you can give a sort of dimension to your flower. In this moment they are similar to plastic so they are quite easy to manage. Okay, the same for the other one. Okay, now with some glue we will put some glue here, and then we will glue together our flower in this way. Okay, now we will need our glitter paper, and then with the circle punch you will create this circle, and then with some glue we will glue this circle in the middle. Okay, leave your flower to dry. Okay, then when your flower and the glue of the flower and the paper in the middle will be ready, you will need this sort of dimensional glue. We will put one of these there, press down, and then we will throw away this little cover. Okay, and we will put another circle of glitter paper on top of this. Okay, in this way. My glue, because here we have a high temp temperature today. My glue is quite in a crazy situation. Okay. No, this glue doesn't want to stay. Okay. Okay. Now it's okay. They are glued together. Now we will need to create a hole in order to put this. You can do create a little hole. Okay, and then maybe it's too thin. Just okay, and this way. Okay. Okay. Voila. Here you finish earring. Leave it to dry all for some minutes, and then you can wear them. They are so nice. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.